Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this RaLeno USB microphone for computer. It says Professional Studio Cardioid Condenser microphone kit compatible with Mac, PC, laptop, Skype, YouTube, teaching, gaming, recording and so on and so on. It's pretty cheap currently on Amazon, around $25, and so it looks pretty interesting for the whole kit. It currently has already a lot of really good reviews, so for the price it would be awesome. I mean, even below $50 it's really hard to find something really good with some sensitive good microphone. So I'm going to try this and let you know how this works. By the way, the model type is the M30. There's not much on the box, but I'm not caring about the box. I'm really interested what's inside. It says plug and play, mute, adjustable volume and cardioid pickup pattern. So here's the box and we get some instructions manual. Maybe I'm going to show you that pretty quickly. This can always be helpful for you to make a better buying decision, or if you bought used and you lost the instructions. But I mean, it's a microphone, it's not rocket science, but sometimes it can be difficult or like different for different devices to attach. But let's say at least for Windows 10 usually shouldn't be a problem. It's a USB microphone as far as I know. So let's see what we get here. So what I really like is nice packaging. I mean, it's a simple packaging, but it's nicely protected. You can see this is what I like here with some nice, I mean, it's not a real cushion, but there is protection in all directions. This is what I really like. And this is what we get. We get the USB, that's the old style USB cable, but this is still used for most of the microphones. Then we get this basic tripod here, and we get the microphone, which looks pretty solid. I mean, it's pretty heavy. What I like is that it's simple to attach here. No big thing needed. There's just this thing here, and you can screw it in here. By the way, what I wanted to show you is that this is a standard tripod mount here. So in case there's something happening with this original tripod, you can use any other tripod too. Yeah, what I noticed is that this thing here with this thread was leaning, but it's very easy to take it out. You can just use a coin or so, use a coin, and then you can take this thing out and screw it back. I don't know why this was leaning. For some reason it was not straight, but when I put it back it looks like it's straight again. So now the microphone is almost ready. We have to just plug it in here and then plug it into the computer here and see what's happening. Setting up a device. We are setting up microphone USB. So I'll put this thing here. Looks really nice, solid, stable. Yeah, I go a little bit up to the maximum, of course. Usually I'm using the maximum sensitivity. So we are waiting here for the confirmation that everything is ready to go. Okay, device is ready to go. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we are here in the sound mixer options of Windows 10. That's really important to see where's the input coming from, and yeah, it automatically goes into the microphone mic USB. So that's supposed to be this thing here. So I'm starting the microphone recording. So we are ready here to record something. I'm clicking on the record and now it's recording. You can see when I touch here, that's coming from here. Yeah, so it's definitely this microphone, it's nothing else recording here. And I'm doing some test recording now, so you can listen to that. RaLeno microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. RaLeno microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. Now I'm going to the lowest setting here. Now I'm increasing the volume here. RaLeno microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. So I stopped this thing here we have heard enough. And I have also checked on my main computer. I sent it to my computer and I've been listening with my earbuds, and I have to tell you, this is as good as it gets for this price, and even any price below $50. It's super hard these days to get a really decent, good microphone below $50, I would say, which is picking up the voice pretty natural and has high sensitivity. So if you're looking for something, yeah, that could be the thing for you. Definitely, I'm super happy with this thing. Everything looks really good. The build, we get everything. The good cable, good stand, and solid thing, really good quality, everything looking good. And so I can give you full recommendation on that, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.